Okay, go for it. Camera is on. I have it sitting on the counter and you are in view. So if you fall, we have video footage.
Get out, Newton. I swear I've gotten video footage of yelling at every single dog.
Yeah. Good point. They're just all there rooting on. Come on, Miss Kate. Get it moving. I know what it is. You didn't put deodorant on.
No, it's from getting heavy. Getting freaking ass heavy. This is hopefully helping me lose all that.
Mm-hmm. So you're going to have another drumstick for breakfast?
Nope. Cereal.
And then a drumstick.
Must have cereal all day.
And then a drumstick.
Nope.
Yep, then a drumstick.
Nope.
Chocolate covered pretzels?
Nope. Actually, for as little sweets as I've been eating, I'm surprised they weigh this much.
Mmm.
Can you back to the top a wee bit? So there's big hot dogs and
Yeah, Oh. Okay.
that was cold. I almost fell and my
No.
body tried to throw itself the other way.
Yep.
Or I thought it was going to fall. So
Yeah. Don't worry. The biggest end is already on the chair. You just got to swing the legs over. You got a good center of gravity. I don't think you're going to go anywhere.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You got the motion. Come on. Come on. You got the motion. Come on. Come on. That's it. Come on. Come on. You got the motion. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You got the motion. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Okay?
Uh-huh.